This is a sad day for America.
WGN-TV Chicago Television 9 at 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock, the Channel 9 News Special with James Holloway. At 9, Family Feud, and at 10, with a special announcement. Stay tuned to Channel 9, your local station.
The special announcement is starting in 10 seconds. Please stand by.
Dum-dum, there was a turtle by the name of Bert, and Bert the turtle was very alert. When danger threatened him, he never got hurt. He knew just what to do. He ducked and cover, ducked and cover.
He did what we all must learn to do. You
and you
and you
and you. Duck.
Готовность к атаке идет. Запустите боеголовки прямо сейчас, без колебаний.
The emergency broadcast system is transmitting a message from the Department of Defense, the White House, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. We need your attention. Multiple nuclear warheads are heading towards the United States. Right now, we have no definitive location that the nukes will impact in. All we can do is to prepare for the worst. Local and state officials will guide you to a fallout shelter. More details will be announced on local radio stations. Stay tuned.